Hey, this is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. Today we're at Home Depot. This is the time of year where you can find some really good deals on picking up some end of the season gear. Today I picked up the 50-inch. This is the MyRIDE version. This is their Toro TimeCutter zero-turn mower. It is a really nice machine. You're going to be seeing me do some videos on this and talking more about it, but we're able to get it at an end of the season price, which first off, Home Depot's pricing is really good on these things anyway, then end of the season and such, and then there's some financing promotion going on with the Home Depot card, so it becomes really kind of almost a no-brainer here if you're looking for equipment at the end of the season. Now we have about 2 more times to mow here in Minnesota before snow flies, so we're going to take this out and get some use of it right away. We're pretty excited about that, and then we'll be sure though the gas we're going to put in it, we're going to have stable in it, because in Minnesota it could be beautiful one week and we could have a foot of snow the next week, so we want to make sure that it's ready in case we have to do this emergency storage for the season. We're ready to go. So just if you're in the market, this is the week to probably do the final purchases before they've changed things over. The snow blowers were out today inside, the shovels and such, so they're going to be getting rid of these lawnmowers fairly quickly. This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman. We will be back with more Toro TimeCutter videos coming to you next week.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.